Hello, traders. As 2025 comes to an end, it's the right moment to look back and understand which binary options strategies actually delivered results and which ones remained just attractive ideas. This time, we decided to take a slightly different approach and not include the old champion, the SSS-Option strategy. Yes, it still performs well, but today we want to focus on other systems that have also earned attention and demonstrated interesting performance. Over the past year, many strategies have gone through our testing, from stable, consistently profitable systems to those that look more like decorative elements in the terminal. We collected real data, compared signals, examined statistics, and most importantly, considered the experience of traders who use these systems in live trading. All the strategies we'll be discussing today are ready to use and available on our website, along with configuration templates. For many of them, we provide not only detailed explanations of how they work, but also video reviews that break down all the nuances of applying them in practice. All the necessary materials can be found in the description below this video. Let's find out which strategies truly became the leaders of 2025. In fifth place in our ranking is a simple yet effective strategy, Momentum Reversal Detector, built around a unique indicator. It helps identify trend reversals in time and open a trade in the right direction. The core of the strategy is analyzing the speed and strength of price changes over a specific period, while the proprietary algorithm evaluates whether the trend is gaining momentum or starting to weaken. This allows you to capture moments when the trend is shifting and trade with minimal risk by using the indicator's signal to open positions. The indicator compares the current closing price of the asset with the price recorded several periods earlier, and based on this data, generates a multicolored histogram. The background color of the histogram reflects market sentiment. Green indicates buyers are in control, while red signals dominance of sellers. The most effective signals for buying call and put options appear when the histogram forms red-yellow or blue-yellow combinations. For call options, trades are opened when the histogram is in the negative zone and creates a sequence of red-yellow or blue-yellow bars. For put options, it's the opposite. The bars must be in the positive zone, and a sequence of blue-yellow bars serves as the entry signal. Using this simple method, the strategy showed 61% successful trades over 10 days on the M1 timeframe across 3 instruments, which is impressive for such a straightforward system. Thanks to its clear signals and its ability to accurately identify the end of a trend, the Momentum Reversal Detector strategy rightfully earns a place in our ranking. To increase effectiveness, we recommend combining its signals with classic technical analysis tools and focusing on key support and resistance levels. In fourth place in our ranking is the FX Venom Pro Strategy. Its key feature is an arrow indicator combined with colored volatility bands that clearly show the trading direction. When the bands are blue, you buy call options. When they are red, you buy put options. This is a simple strategy without unnecessary complex elements, which makes it an excellent choice even for beginner traders. The FX Venom Pro strategy includes 6 indicators grouped into pairs based on risk level, along with an informative control panel. This allows traders to choose a trading style according to their risk tolerance. The system has 3 ready-made templates. Risk 1, the most conservative mode with minimal risk. Signals are fewer, but they are more reliable. Risk 2, a moderate level of risk, optimal for intraday trading. Risk 3, high risk and high signal frequency, suitable only for experienced traders who are ready to take on more risk. This approach allows you to adapt the strategy to your personal preferences and risk level. For our tests, we chose the moderate Risk 2 template. Call option trades were opened when a blue arrow appeared, along with 3 blue squares on the info panel. For put options, we waited for a red arrow and 3 red squares. In all cases, the expiration was set to 3 candles. Based on the test results across 3 assets on the M15 timeframe, the percentage of profitable trades reached 64%, which is, you'll agree, quite good. To increase the effectiveness of the strategy, we recommend combining its signals with the Market Scanner Pro indicator that comes with the system. It is best used as a currency pair filter, selecting those where the trend is moving in the same direction across all timeframes, which significantly increases the probability of a successful trade. In third place is a strategy built on a unique proprietary indicator. This is not just another moving average, but an enhanced smoothing function that skillfully removes market noise and helps reveal the trend. It's an ideal tool for those who value stability and a clear understanding of market direction. Thanks to this feature, a trader can quickly react to trend changes. On the chart, this is immediately visible. Green dots, signals for buying call options, appear almost at the very lows, right when the market is about to move upward. And red dots, on the contrary, show moments for buying put options, forming near local highs. The binary scalping strategy is composed of 3 indicators: non-lagdot, Hammer, and presensuals_Victor. The main role is played by the non-lagdot indicator. The key is to configure its parameters correctly. To ensure the dots appear without delay, you must set the color bar back value to 0. This way, the indicator will display signals directly on the current bar and won't repaint its values. The hybrid Hammer indicator combines the best properties of Heiken Ashi candles and moving averages. Thanks to this combination, it perfectly smooths out market noise and allows you to see the trend on the chart more clearly. As you might guess, blue Hammer bars indicate that the market is in a growth phase, that is, in a bullish trend. And when orange bars appear on the chart, this is a signal that sentiment has shifted to bearish. The binary scalping system is logically completed by the arrow indicator presensuals_Victor, which is responsible for identifying the entry point. In our tests, we use the arrows of the presensuals_Victor indicator as an additional signal filter. For call entries, we first checked that the Hammer indicator was blue, that a green dot appeared on the previous candle, and that the current candle showed both a dot and an arrow. For put options, the logic is reversed. Hammer must be red, the previous candle must show a red dot, and the current candle must display both the dot and the arrow. And you know what? This set of conditions was enough to deliver excellent results in just 3 days on the M5 timeframe. 69% profitable trades. The high frequency and accuracy of binary scalping signals are truly impressive. Thanks to the unique formula of its main indicator, the strategy effectively filters out market noise, showing only the important price movements. And adding a proven trend filter turns the system into a powerful tool for stable binary options trading. In second place is the Fractal Chaos Bands strategy, which works on the multifunctional pocket option platform. Its signals are generated using an indicator created by the Australian trader Edward William Dryce. It is based on fractal market theory, the idea that future price movement is largely determined by its past behavior. Sounds interesting, right? And in practice, it works just as impressively. The essence of the theory is very simple. If the price breaks through a fractal, meaning 5 candles where the middle one has the lowest low or the highest high, then the probability of price continuing in the direction of the breakout becomes very high. A key point: a breakout is not just touching the fractal level, but a full candle close beyond that level. It is the candle close. This is the signal traders should pay attention to and act on. The main task of the indicator in this strategy is to filter out market noise from small fluctuations and draw clear levels that make price movement easier to read. You can trade this system in several ways. You can find more details on our website winoptioncrypto.com. In our tests, we used the following approach. To open a call option, we waited for the last candle to close above the upper boundary of the fractal chaos bands and above the EMA 14. After that, we entered the trade. To open a put option, we waited for the candle to close below the lower boundary of the fractal chaos bands and the EMA 14. These simple rules gave us 72% profitable trades across 3 assets over a month of trading. Such accuracy became possible because entries were made at the very beginning of a forming trend impulse. And now we've reached the absolute champion of our ranking, the Karazon Strategy. This system is a perfect example of how several simple, easy-to-understand indicators can come together to form a powerful tool for generating profit. The Karazon Strategy generates trading signals using a proprietary indicator of the same name. On the chart, it displays green and red arrows that signal opportunities to buy a call or put option. Unlike most signal indicators that operate as a black box, Karazon provides truly accurate signals. This makes it possible to trade without additional filters, except for the built-in golden bar oscillator. And thanks to the information panel, it becomes very easy to choose the most profitable asset and time frame at your broker. This is exactly why the Karazon Strategy has rightfully taken first place in our ranking of the best strategies of 2025. In our tests, we opened call options on the M5 timeframe after a green upward arrow appeared beneath the candle, and put options after a red downward arrow appeared. The expiration was set to 1 candle. This simple set of rules delivered a phenomenal result: 80% profitable trades. Download the strategy from our website winoptioncrypto.com and see its effectiveness for yourself. And don't forget to stay tuned. On our website, we regularly publish reviews of the most interesting strategies and indicators, all available for free download for evaluation purposes. If you enjoyed this review, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. There's plenty of valuable content ahead. We wish you successful trading in 2026.